Find or read reviews that people are talking about VEVOR 180 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier with pump, drain hoses. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Powerful dehumidification. Equipped with a CSA certified compressor, this commercial dehumidifier draws out up to 180 pints/day, under saturation conditions, ideal for crawl spaces, basements, or industrial areas up to 2,500 square feet. Easy control. Set humidity from 10% to 90% RH, use one-touch drainage, and enjoy auto defrost with no manual effort. Memory function saves your settings, making this commercial dehumidifier easy and worry-free to operate. No water buildup. Built-in pump with 19.69 feet drain hose and 14.76 feet max lift ensures smooth, hands-free drainage. The sturdy PVC hose is cracking resistant, solving overflow worries, ideal for continuous industrial dehumidifier use. Foldable design. The commercial-grade dehumidifier's space-saving foldable structure supports easy stacking for transport and storage. Ideal for moving multiple shop dehumidifier units without taking up extra space. High-performance commercial dehumidifier with large capacity, ideal for basements, garages, storage rooms, and laundry rooms. Features a reliable compressor, auto defrost, and clear display for easy, efficient operation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.